what have you seen? Do guys who have a really good reputation for close, did they put down hard EMDs?
First of all, they are rare. I would say the folks that do it, their advantage is they either know the asset or submarket, like they looked at the asset 3 years ago when it's for sale, or they just have such a firm understanding of the physical aspects of it and are comfortable with it. And that no matter how bad something could be that they found, it still doesn't throw off their pro forma, or they're invested in that market or submarket already. They have some sort of insider comfort. Most folks don't just throw down hard EMD day one just to win a deal. That would be pretty freaking reckless, especially if they have investors involved. Yes, I certainly have even elite guys who will use that as a piece to win the deal. And most of them are still contingent on title, survey, and environmental.